Decoding idioms. What does sell a pup mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English idioms easy to understand. Today, we have a quirky phrase to explore. Sell a pup. You might be thinking it's something to do with pet sales, but it's actually a fascinating expression with quite a different meaning. So, stay tuned as we break it down for you. The phrase, sell a pup, dates back to the 18th or 19th century, a time when dog breeding was a common practice. But why would selling a puppy imply something negative? Let's find out. Back then, selling young dogs that were not as described, or substituting a valuable breed with a less valuable one, was a trick played by deceitful salespeople. The buyer would realize the trick only after the deal was done, hence feeling cheated. Fast forward to today, sell a pup is an idiom used to describe a situation where someone is tricked into buying or accepting something that is not as valuable or good as they were led to believe. It's all about deception and disappointment. Now that you know what it means, let's put sell a pup into action. It's often used in the past tense, like was sold a pup, indicating that the action and the trickery have already occurred. Here are some examples. I can't believe I was sold a pup when I bought this car. It's had nothing but problems since day one. They thought they were getting a bargain on their holiday, but they were sold a pup. The hotel is next to a construction site. Remember, this idiom is generally used in informal situations and is perfect for storytelling or explaining a mishap. While sell a pup is the standard phrase, there are variations like buy a pup or being left with a pup. These express the same sentiment of being duped but from different perspectives. Here's how you might hear them. I didn't want to buy a pup, so I did a lot of research before purchasing my camera. The investors were left with a pup after the new tech startup turned out to be a scam. To help you master the phrase, try making your own sentences with sell a pup. Think about a time when something didn't turn out as you expected and share your story in the comments below. We hope this video demystified the phrase, sell a pup, for you. It's a fun and colorful way to describe an unfortunate situation where someone ends up deceived. Remember, idioms add flavor to language and can be a playful addition to your English vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't let anyone sell you a pup.